For centuries, mankind believed the depths of our planet were nothing more than scorching, barren rock. We mapped the distant surface of Mars before understanding what lies beneath our very own feet. A colossal subterranean reservoir holding 3 times more water than all world oceans combined. If released to the surface, it would submerge every continent, drowning the highest mountain peaks. Yet, this mysterious ocean does not contain a single drop of liquid water flowing freely. No subterranean caverns, no underground rivers, and no dark subterranean seas out of Jules Verne. Instead, it is trapped in a bizarre physical state never before witnessed in nature. A secret locked away for over 4 billion years, waiting for modern science to discover. This is the untold story of Earth's greatest hidden secret, the Mantle Transition Zone. To understand this discovery, we must descend past the crust into the upper mantle. At 200 kilometers, temperatures reach over 900 degrees Celsius, melting solid rock.
At 400 kilometers, we arrive at the threshold of the mysterious transition zone.
Here, the pressure exceeds 100,000 times the atmospheric pressure at sea level. Under such brutal forces, the atomic structure of ordinary minerals begins to radically warp. Olivine, the common green mineral of the upper mantle, can no longer survive here. It collapses and recrystallizes into an ultra-dense polymorph, a gemstone known as wadsleyite. And deeper still, at 520 kilometers, it transforms into something even rarer. A mineral so elusive on the surface that science once thought it only existed in meteorites. Its name is ringwoodite, the legendary blue crystal, holding the key to our oceans.
Unlike ordinary crystals, ringwoodite possesses a unique flaw in its dense molecular cage.
It acts like an atomic sponge, absorbing hydroxide ions directly into its chemical matrix.
Up to 1.5% of this mineral's total weight consists of pure water.
While 1% sounds small, the sheer volume of the transition zone is staggering. Multiplied across the entire planet, the amount of trapped water becomes truly unfathomable.
For decades, this theory was purely mathematical, dismissed by many as impossible speculation.
Because no drill could ever penetrate even a fraction of that crushing depth.
The deepest hole ever dug by humans, the Kola Superdeep borehole, reached only 12 kilometers. To reach 700 kilometers was physically impossible for any machine on Earth.
Science needed an entirely new way to peer into the beating heart of our world.
In 2014, a geophysicist deployed a revolutionary strategy to solve the mystery. Using the US Array network, over 2,000 seismometers listened to vibrations across North America. Every major earthquake on Earth acts like a massive planetary ultrasound scan. Seismic waves travel at precise speeds depending on the density and composition of rock. When waves hit water-saturated rock, their velocity drops dramatically, revealing the secret reservoir.
The laboratory results matched the seismic field data with astonishing, pinpoint perfection.
Simultaneously, a battered diamond discovered in Brazil provided the ultimate physical proof. Trapped inside that diamond was a microscopic inclusion of pure, natural ringwoodite. It confirmed beyond all doubt, the deep mantle is holding a colossal ocean. This discovery completely overturned our standard textbook model of Earth's ancient origins. For decades, science believed icy comets and asteroids brought water during the late heavy bombardment. While comets contributed, they could never account for the total volume of water found today. The ringwoodite reservoir proves Earth's water was born from within the planet itself. During accretion, hydrogen and oxygen were trapped in the primordial mantle materials. Over billions of years, subduction zones continually pump surface water back into the deep mantle. And mantle plumes slowly return that water to the surface through volcanic activity.
It is a majestic, planet-wide water cycle operating across millions of years.
This internal reservoir stabilizes our oceans, preventing them from evaporating or draining away. Without this subterranean buffer, Earth might have become as dry and dead as Mars. Today, researchers are searching for similar hidden oceans on other rocky exoplanets. If planetary mantles naturally store water, life in the universe may be far more common. We used to think oceans were fragile surface phenomena, vulnerable to cosmic disasters.
The data indicates a significant energy surge within the core. Remarkable, we are witnessing an unprecedented geothermal event.
Every drop of rain and every ocean wave is part of a 700-kilometer deep journey. Our home world is not a dead sphere of stone, but a living, breathing geodynamic engine. As science pushes deeper, we realize we have only just begun to uncover its wonders. Subscribe and journey with us as we continue exploring the greatest mysteries of our universe.